You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. Month. Alright, so month. Yes, a TH sound that is made with your tongue between your teeth. 1 month. If you want to learn the plural, which is very interesting and quite tricky, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Month. How to pronounce in English, English pronunciation, month. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.